This video will show you how to fix a TV bracket onto a plasterboard wall using GRIPITs and their 3 simple steps: drill, tap and turn. Make sure you check you have all the equipment before you start. Before drilling, use a pipe and cable detector to ensure it is safe to do so. Mark out where you're going to be fixing your bracket. It is handy to use a spirit level to help position the TV correctly. Carefully drill your holes into the wall where you have marked. Then place your GRIPIT in as shown and hammer into the wall so your fixing's collar sits against the surface. Insert a screwdriver into the rotary insert and turn 90 degrees to the right. This will allow the wings to open at the back of the GRIPIT and secure it into the wall. Fix your bracket using the bolts or screws provided and make sure it is firmly attached to the wall. Get someone to help you lift the TV into place to keep it safe. And there you have it, a secure flat screen TV.
If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please visit our YouTube channel for more how-to videos.